Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to QP Online Education Learn Perfect. The today is one of the new topic, that is logic gates. So what is logic gate? A logic gate is a digital circuit that produces one output which is either maybe high or low, I mean 0 or 1, which depends upon the level of the input voltage or voltages. And these logic gates have one or more inputs but only one output. And in that logic gates there are mainly seven gates are there. Today we will discuss only 5 gates. So that is, the first one is OR gate, and second one is NAND gate, third one is NOT gate, fourth one is NAND gate, NA and the NAND gate, and last one NOR gate. So what is OR gate and what is its formula and what is its truth table? In the same way, what is AND gate and its formula and its truth table? Same way, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOT gate we will discuss now. Before that, I request you all, please press subscribe button along with the bell icon for new videos and new updates of our channel. Okay, now we will start one by one. Okay, now we will learn one by one. So first one is OR gate I will take. So what is OR gate? OR gate means it is a logic circuit or a logic gate. It has 2 or more input but it has only one output. So that is called OR gate. Okay. Then, so what is the symbol of OR gate? So just I will write, see carefully. So this is the symbol of OR gate. So only one output, so that name is Y, and it has the 2 inputs, so that is the A and the B. A and B are the input, the Y is the output. Then next point is, what is the formula of OR gate? So OR gate Y is equal to the A plus B. So this is the formula. Okay, Y is equal to A plus B. Then after we have to go for truth table. This is very important. So that is the truth table. So truth table, just I will take the input A, here is the B and here is the Y. Okay, A and B are the inputs, Y is the output. Okay, inputs are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and last 1 1. So this is the truth table, and A and B are the input, Y is the output. Okay, now let us learn what is the Y. Suppose if the input A is 0 here, if A is 0, B is 0 means A is low and B is also low. When both the input A and B are low, what will be the output? Output is also low. See, according to this formula, here A is 0, B is 0, A plus B, 0 plus 0 is 0, so output is 0. So that is the first one. The second one, if A is 0, second condition, B is 1. So at that time what happens? A is 0, the B is 1, so output is 1. Okay, output is I, or A is low, B is I, but what is the output? Output is I. Then A plus B, just you check that A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Clear? Next trial, the A is 1, B is 0, that time A is 1, B is 0, 1 plus 0 is again 1, output is I. And next one, when both the outputs are I, A is 1, B is also 1, the output is also I. So 1 plus 1 is the 2, 2 is the 1 0, so again here 1 will be there. Clear? See, one thing you have to understand carefully now, what exactly the OR gate. So OR gate is a logic circuit. It has a two or more inputs and it has only one output. So this is the logical diagram. Okay, this is the diagram of OR gate. And then this is the formula of a plus y is equal to a plus b is the formula of OR gate. So this is the truth table. By using truth table also you can tell what about the gate. The gate, the OR gate is I. Carefully listen. The OR gate is I when either one input. See, either one input. So either one input or both the inputs are I. So then only the output is I, or else the output is low. Have you understood this one? Carefully once again you listen. See, OR gate output is I. What the condition? When it will become I? That is very important. OR gate is I when the condition is either any one of the input should be I. Either A should be I or B should be I, or both the input A and B also I. So then only the output will be I, or else the output will become 0 or output is low. So this is the OR gate. Are you clear? Okay, so this is the OR gate. Now we have to go for one of the new gate, so that is the AND gate. Now we have to go for AND gate. So what is the AND gate? I'll write the AND gate. Okay, A and D, so ZATE. Okay, what is the AND gate? Even AND gate is also logic circuit and it has two or more input, but it has only one output. So that is called AND gate. It is the first definition. Next, what is the circuit symbol of AND gate? So this is the circuit symbol will be like this. Just you see, so this is the circuit symbol. It is output, that is the Y, and the input A and B. So this is the A and this is the B. Clear? This is the input A and B. This is the circuit symbol of the AND gate. And what is the formula of AND gate? Y is equal to A dot B. So this is the multiplicative. Okay, Y is equal to A dot B. Then again we have to go for truth table. Okay, sorry, truth table. Okay, now you see here, A and B are the input, Y is the output. Okay, zero, 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 one, one, zero, last one, one. So this is the truth table. Just we have to answer for what is the output of Y. So it is very easy almost. See, when 0, 0, when the input A is 0 and B is 0, what happens the output? When A is 0, B is 0, the output is also 0. Clear? And according to this formula also, once you check it, Y is equal to A dot B. A is 0 here, B is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, because this is the multiplicative. The OR gate was the additive. Okay, addition. Here is the multiplication. Next, the A is input A is low, B is I, or A is 0, B is 1. What will be the output? 0 into 1 is equal to again 0. Okay. Next one, A is I, B is low, reverse. Okay, or A is 1, B is 0, the output is 1 into 0 is again 0. The last one, both the inputs are I, 1 into 1, A is 1, B is 1, output is also 1. So through that you understood one of the logic. When the AND gate is I, what is the condition? AND gate is I, AND gate will become I, the output of the AND gate is I when both the inputs are I. Okay, when the both the inputs are I, so then only output will be I, or else the output will be low. In that any one input is low, either A is low or B is low or both are low, so output will be low. It is not like that in OR gate. So are you clear? So here the condition, the output of the AND gate is I when the both the outputs are I. So that is called AND gate. So AND gate is the logic circuit. It has two or more inputs and it has only one output, and AND gate, the output of the AND gate is I when the both the inputs are I. So that is the second one. Okay, second gate. Then we have to go for third gate. Okay, what is the third gate? That is the NOT gate. Okay, so NOT gate. So NOT gate is, this is the NOT gate. NOT gate is the logic circuit. It has only one input and one output. So the logic gate will be the symbolical representation of this logic gate will be here one bubble. This is the one. So A, here Y. Okay, so this is the circuit symbol of the NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but as the reverse gate we are calling. So what is its formula? So Y is equal to A bar. It is bar which represents the reverse the output. Reverse the output means, suppose if the output is 0, that will become, so for example, if the input is 0, it is converting into the 1. Means if you send the input is low, it is converting into I. If you send the input is I, it converting into the low. Whatever the signal you supply or whatever the signal you send at input, so output will become reverse, exactly reverse to the input. So that is called the NOT gate. If input is low, output is high. If input is high, output is low. It is exactly is converting like that. So that is called NOT gate. Are you clear? So truth table of this one is only A, only one, because only one input and one output. Suppose if you send A is 0, input is low, output is 1. Or next, if input is high, output is low. So this is the truth table of the NOT gate, because it has only one input and one output. Clear? So then after that NOT gate, then one more gate it is, that is the NAND gate or NOR gate. Anyone you can take. I will take now NAND gate. So this is the new one, NAND gate. Okay. So first one, what is the NAND gate? NAND gate is also logic circuit. It has two or more input, but it has only one output. So that is the NAND gate. Okay, what is the circuit symbol? The circuit symbols we can design in the two ways. The first one I will draw the NAND gate. So here NAND gate, just you understand this, NAND gate means there are two gates are there here. AND gate is one and NOT gate is one. It's a combination of the NOT gate and AND gate. It is called as the NAND gate. So how the NAND gate? So first I will write the AND gate. So this is the symbol, circuit symbol of the NAND gate. So this is the NAND gate. Okay, clear? So this is input A and the input B. So this is the output Y. Clear? And here at the output I will join one of the NOT gate, and here I will take, we will get, that is the Y bar. So here what is the output? That will become reverse. Okay, so this is the one of the circuit symbol of the NAND gate. Or else either or you may write like this, or else directly you can use like that. Just you write the AND gate like this. So this is the AND gate, and here you put one bubble. So this is the output, and these two are the input A, and this is the input B. This is the Y output is equal to, so this is the Y is the output. Clear? So either you may draw like this or like this, both are correct. So AND gate, just you attach the bubble, that will become the NAND gate. Next, what is the formula of NAND gate? Okay, what is the formula of NAND gate? So NAND gate formula, the Y is equal to, what is the formula of AND gate? AND gate is A dot B. So A dot B bar. Bar represents whatever the output it gets, that will be exactly reversed. Suppose A dot B output is 1, due to the bar, that will become 0. If it is A dot B is 0, due to the bar, that will become 1, like that. So formula is, so A dot B bar. Clear? Next we have to go for truth table. Okay, truth table. Clear? So truth table, again I will take A, here B and here Y. I will draw, see, A is 0, B is 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Clear? So this is the truth table of this is the truth table of NAND gate. See, now you just judge. So here when input is A, the input is 0 and the input A is 0 and input B is also 0. When both are 0, just you check this formula. A is 0, B is 0, A dot B is 0 into 0 is 0. Due to bar, 0 will become 1. Clear? Next, A is 0, B is 1. A is 0 and B is 1. Clear? So here A is 0, B is 1. 0 into 1 is 0. Due to the bar, 0 will become 1. I. Here is also 1 into 0 is 0. Due to bar, this will become I. So here 1 into 1, A is 1, B is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 only. Due to bar, 1 will become exactly reverse, that is the 0. Okay. And based on this NAND gate, we can tell about that. So that is, okay, that is, so when the both the inputs are I, that time the output will be low. When the NAND gate is I means just we have to give the output of the NAND gate is I, either both the input are low or any one of the input is low, then only output is I. I will clear my point. See, once again I will repeat this one. When the NAND gate output is I, the condition when both the inputs are low, or either one input is low, then only the output will be high, or else the output will be low. So this is the truth table of NAND gate. So NAND gate means it is the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. Okay, here last one more gate is left, so that is NOR gate. So again here is also two things. The NOR gate, it is the combination of NOT gate and OR gate. It is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. That is called NOR gate. NOR gate is also a logic circuit which has two or more inputs, but it has only one output. So what is the logic circuit? So here first you take the OR gate. The two diagrams I will show you. So first you take OR gate. So this is the OR gate. In front of the OR gate you put one of the NOT gate. So this is Y, and here inputs A and B. This is the A and this is the B. So this is called the NOR gate. Or else directly you can use just by writing the OR gate. So when you are writing OR gate, so at the front of the OR gate just you put one bubble, so that will become NOR gate. Clear? Either you may use this is also right and this is also right. Anyone you can use it. What is the formula of what is that NOR gate? What is the formula of NOR gate is Y is equal to A plus B bar. Okay, here A dot B bar is there, here A plus B bar is there. Okay, now so truth table I am going to take, say truth table. So here is the A, input A, and B, this is the Y. Okay, so here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, the same. The inputs are same in all the gates. Okay, but only output only changing. for every truth table except the NOT gate, the 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 will same here and here and here and here except the NOT gate. NOT gate because it has only one input and one output. Okay, now you think that, so when input is 0, output is, input A is 0, B is 0, what about the output? So here in that formula substitute, A is 0, B is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, due to bar what will happen? 0 will become reverse, so that will become I. Next, 0, A is 0, B is 1, A is 0, B is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, due to bar, so this will become 0. Clear? Here 1 plus 0 is, third one is, A is 1, B is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, due to bar, so 1 will become 0. And last one, when both the inputs are A is 1 and B is 1, so A is 1 and B is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 only, A plus A, so here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 in binary, again it will become 1, 1 0, 2 we are writing in 1 0, so again 1 is left, so due to bar, again the output is 0. So this is the truth table of the NOR gate. And so when the NOR gate is I, just you tell that the output of the NOR gate is I when both the inputs are low. Carefully listen, when both the inputs are low, its output is I. In that any except this condition, remaining whatever, if it is 1 0 or 1 I, 1 I or both I, so output will become low, so that is a 0. Are you clear? So this condition, when the output is when its output is I, means the NOR gate output is I. When both the inputs are low, then only it will become I, or else it will become output is low. So this is the NOR gate. So these are all the main these are all the 5 gates. The first one is the OR gate, second one is the AND gate, third one is the NOT gate, and here one more NAND gate, and here is NOR gate. So these are all the 5 gates. I think you are all understood very well, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for even supporting also. Till now who are not subscribed my channel, please press subscribe button along with the bell icon to get the new updates of our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and bye bye.